Hey, Michael.
Hey JG,
I'm so excited to have you on my podcast. Thank you for taking the time.
thank you for having me too. It's really great to share about what we're doing and what our solutions, our use cases.
Yeah, I really love your AI avatar product. So we'll get into your intro, but I just wanted to share with everyone really quickly. Call me jz.ai. I build AI tools for finance, and I've worked in finance. I'm really excited to hear about Korean avatars and bankers. And I also do podcasting. So I'll turn it over to you, Michael. Any intro about yourself or the company?
Hey guys, my name is Michael Jung. I'm the CFO and also doing the head of the global business. Deep Brain AI, well, later I'm going to share the use cases in the videos. We provide avatars. Some people call generative AI solutions. And we have two applications that whether today I'm going to share with you guys. One is AI Studios. AI Studios support the user can create the video without filming a real person. The other one is integrating with chatbot that AI avatar can have conversation with real people. And I will go share it later.
Awesome. I know I created my own avatar, the home shopping avatar. So it was really fun to pick out like who would look like me. And I wore a shirt that kind of looks like her. So she's very inspiring, one of your avatars.
Thank you.
Well, everyone in the audience, comment if you've ever made an avatar, if you would use it instead of your public image. And we'll start with a demo, Michael. Do you want to queue up your demo?
Yes, let's do that. So, well, rather than showing the live demo, I'm gonna share some recording videos that what is our solutions and what is the use cases. And today uh, we are going to talk about more detail about the our finance customer, especially in the bank industry. And you all guys can see this looks five people here. This is the base real person that we created. But later I'm going to share about the other avatars type that we can provide based on the real person AI avatar, photorealistic 2D and 3D. And we also can do synthetic avatar. Synthetic avatar means that we can also can provide synthetic face, non-existent face AI avatar as well. And some customer wants to do the cartoon character avatar as well. So our core solution is the text to video solutions. What is our proposed that we want to create the avatar? We want to make the solutions that any of user can create the video without filming a real person, just inputting a script. So this is the one of the demo. I'm going to play the video that you can see the white box in the center that one of the user going to input in a script and the avatar going to reading it. And this avatar is based on a real person as well.
Hi there. My name is Paige. I am one of the newest virtual employees at DeepBrain AI. I am an artificial human made with deep learning technologies.
So, as you can see in the video, we cloning a person of their face expressions, lip syncing, of course, gestures, mannerisms, and we also have a TTS engine. TTS is the text-to-speech engine, and we also cloning the personal voice. The voice includes the intonations, dictions, and accent. We were the first company to develop and commercialize this solution 4 years ago, and now there are some competitors in the market. But what we usually to emphasizing about our difference compared to our competitor is that we have three categories. The one is that we provide a hyper-realistic avatar that we want to clone as much as the real person from the original. That one number is 96.5% of similarity that we want to close as much from the real person.
Hello, I am Max, a hyper-realistic avatar.
We want to pursue this quality is because when the people or the user watching the AI avatar video, whether they have conversation with the avatar. We want to make them, they want to talk to feeling, we want to make the experience they're talking to a real person, or giving the experience like they just watching the video, that it feels like the original of the real person filming the real person. And we provide a full body with gestures. And one and last, like I said in the beginning, we provide two applications. One is a text-to-video solutions that we support the customer can create the video, scale, and efficiently. But the second thing is we also can make that avatar can do the real-time conversation with people. To support that, we need to support the low latency. Low latency means when we get the text from the chatbot, have to synthesize as fast as much as can. So we're using streaming inference. Streaming inference means when we get the text from chatbot, we already played a video. And we're using a GPU distribution technology support the scale of the concurrent user. The scale of the concurrent user, we're talking about the size of the 10,000 or 100,000 people access at the same time they're talking to AI avatar. Currently, we have 4 products, and one is the AI Studios. AI Studios, like I said, just any of the user can create the video, whether it could be training video, it could be marketing video, or those kind of videos. And AI Human is the conversational AI avatar solutions. We also can make the avatar just by uploading the photo. This is the use cases is for the personal messaging service. And one and last, we also have a deepfake detections that we can detect it whether the video was generated by AI or it was filmed the original from the real person. The text-to-video solution is already powerful that I already showed the video, but in the finance industry, they are using the docs-to-video. For example, many of the finance companies have their own financial report, and they also know the video it will be more powerful to delivering the information. When we doing this business, we also realize that our user, our customer, facing another challenge is building the content, making the content. So we're supporting them. They can get the first draft of the content by uploading documentations. And I will play this video. What that function is.
Hello, I am the AI model Paige. Today, I will teach you how to create a video simply and quickly from your PPT, PDF, XLSX, etc. documents. Step 1. Navigate to Docs to Video. Navigate to the Quick Start menu and select Docs to Video. Step 2. Upload document. Upload any document you want to convert into a video, including PDFs, PPTs, XLSXs, and more. Just click on the Options menu located on the lower right corner to customize the video. Step 3. Video customization. You can adjust various options for your video. Customize options to fit your video, such as screen ratio, template, goal, duration, language, and media files to be used. If neither the goal nor the duration options suit your needs, you can modify the text and visual elements during the editing stage after the video is created. File background utilizes the image in the file you uploaded, making it suitable for slide decks or PowerPoint. Once everything is set, click Generate an AI video. Your video will be automatically created. Step 4. Edit details. Once the video is generated, you have the option to either directly export the video or go into the video editor to edit the script, replace images, and change the AI avatars. Now, let's see the result.
The template maintains consistency with logos, colors, and fonts, providing a professional look to the presentation.
So Docs to Video is one of the popular functions currently. Our existing finance company using the solutions. They want to create the video as much as they can. And we are already supporting them how they can make the content itself with using our solutions. The second applications I want to talk about is the conversational AI avatar solutions. We need another two components. One is a speech to text and the chatbot. Most of
Oh,
that.
sorry, Michael. I have a person texting me. They're asking me, so for the doc to video, does
Mhm.
that mean that it's all the like user manuals and like customer agent scripts and all the answers in free form, not in question and answer format?
Not an It's going to be, so for example, like existing finance analytics report or company research report, those kind of things, that document, just uploading it, and we're supporting them that they can convert to video. But there's two types. One is that the original of the files of the slide can be a background image, and AI avatar can present slide by slide explaining it. Or second thing is we can support them to make it just a summarized video with using one of our templates. So what we did before, when we want to acquire some information, that we was reading the report. But the thing is, we just supporting them to convert to video. So it's also giving um, another benefit, that the user can just listening. It's like a podcast. At the same time, they also can watch the video. And if they want to read the report, they can also reading the report. It's giving more options for our client, can giving information to the users or their customers.
Yeah, because sometimes people are listening, not watching. Sometimes they're watching, not reading. So you're giving it in multiple mediums.
Right, correct. And the third thing is, yes, they also know that video is more powerful, but the thing is, there was a challenge. If they want to make all the video what they have existing materials, which means they have to giving the outsource to make the videos, or they need to hire the people to make the videos.
Mhm.
But using our solutions is way cheaper, and they can make the video content. That is the why the trend, all that big clients want to adopt and exploring more AI avatar. Generative AI solutions. How this can be providing more beneficial for their service.
I see. So they don't have to have existing video. They can just have existing text, and then you make it for them.
Correct.
And then if there's a question that the AI agent can't answer, what happens? Does it like route to a human agent?
Well, we didn't talk about the AI avatar conversational service yet, but the video, for example, when you read the report, when you have some questions, you're also going to contact to the companies. The video content itself is just another tool how they want to deliver the information to their customers. But when we talk about conversational AI avatar solutions, yes, if the user have questions or their end customer can have questions, that could be giving the informations. But we just talk about what I just shared with you is just text to video solutions applications. But
Let's keep going then.
all right, cool. Let me share my screen again. So we finished about talking about the text to video solutions, and the other thing is about when we integrate with chatbot and when we integrate SDT engine, that we can provide an end-to-end conversational service. Speech to text is the ear functions, is the capability that the voice convert to text. When the user have increased their questions, they're going to start with asking the question through their voice. The voice will convert to text, and that text will go to the chatbot. The chatbot will find the information, and giving that the information of text will go to our engine, and it will be generated with this image with the voice. And then on the screen, you can see that AI avatar responding of the user of questions. So currently, top 6 major bank using our solutions. Top 6, number 1 to number 6 bank is using our solutions. And I will show one of the use cases that NH Bank was using our solution. And this is a synthetic face. This is not a real personal face. And let me play this video.
저는 간단한 일상 대화를 할 수 있어요.
영업점 어딨어?
영업점 안내해 드릴게요.
이렇게 영업점 위치를 묻자 이로운 과장이 관련 정보를 안내합니다.
립싱크율 측면에서는 96.7% 정도의 그렇게 좀 정확도를 자랑하고 있고요. 제스처 자체도 18개 정도의 제스처를 하고 있고 국내 은행 중에서 많은 걸로 알고 있습니다.
More details. This is not a bank industry, but this applications can apply to many of the different industry as well. And this is more showing more details how this AI avatar conversational service looks like. And this is the use case of hospitality. And let me play this video too.
안녕하세요. AI 컨시어지입니다. 궁금하신 점을 질문해주세요. 층별 주요 시설은 다음과 같습니다.
체크아웃 시간 알려줘.
정규 체크인 시간은 오후 3시부터이고 정규 체크아웃 시간은 오후 12시입니다. 코드 익스체인지는 총 4가지로 운영되어 메뉴를 확인하실 수 있습니다.
주변 편의점 위치 알려줘.
호텔 정문으로 나가서 왼쪽으로 1분만 걸어가시면 GX25 CU 편의점이 있습니다.
So this was using in the kiosk, but it doesn't necessarily have to be need those big kiosk devices. This is supporting omni-channel. Omni-channel means that it could be any of the devices if it has screen and mic and speaker. When we're looking at the banking industry, how they enhancing their service, they start with AI kiosk. And 1 year after, they wanted to use an AI ATM machine or help desk. And then they go further to wanted to expanding to mobile applications. So AI kiosk was I just shared with you that you can imagine that when their end customer visits the bank branches, they do not necessarily have to talk to the agent. They just can see on the screen and can ask the questions right away. AI ATM use cases is slightly different. It's just not doing the Q&A. It also the AI avatar actually doing the service instead of the real agent. And let me play this video how it looks like.
Hello, sir, madam, please check the instructions and say confirmed. For facial authentication, please enter your mobile phone number. When the camera turns on, please align your face as you see on the screen. Authentication complete. Please tell me the service you want. I will help you with debit card issuance. Please confirm how to proceed and apply on the screen below. You need to select additional functions for the card you applied for. Would you like to apply? Please.
Is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
The card you applied for. Please receive.
I didn't know if that was your avatar, but that's really you.
So don't be surprised later in here in state, whether you go to Walmart or bank, that one of the avatar of the company of avatar can assist you. And one and last, this is the more scale and how it can be used our service in the mobile applications.
꿀비서.
Sorry, there's no English subtitles, but this is the KB Bank has expanded to mobile applications. And the user asking, I want to check my checking account.
송금해줘.
And then the user asking, I also want to transfer the money. And the avatar asking, who do you want me to transfer? So it's getting more to, the service scope is getting more bigger and larger. And skip this one. Of course, this avatar can support the multi-language.
Hey Maria, I understand you can answer questions in many different languages.
Yes, this is correct. I can answer questions in over 50 languages.
Salamat Maria. Kanyang man gusto ko lang tanong, bakit pipiliin ininsang tao imunin ang Gatorade?
Tumutulong ang Gatorade na mag-hydrate at mag-fuel sa panahon ng athletic activity. Nakakatulong itong palitan ng mga carbs na iyong sinusunog at mga electrolyte at likido na nawawala kapag ikaw ay pawis.
So you can see that avatar can speak, support multi-language. And this is the last month's Hyundai department store just launched the AI avatar service on mobile phone. And this is the last the video use cases I want to share. So users scan the QR code. Rather than I explain what is the value add, I believe you guys can understand when you watch this video, what is going to be the beneficial for the customers, what is going to be beneficial for the company as well. Like I said, I mentioned that we provide all types of AI avatar, whether it could be 2D and 3D, and we support 2 applications. On the bottom, you can see the AI video generations, and the other one is conversational AI. And what we want to build more concrete pipeline is we want to support any of LLM. And depending on the LLM of the knowledge, that could be applied many of different industry, which means it's supporting cross industry. And we believe AI avatar will be everywhere, whether it could be offline, online, or metaverse.
I love it. So cool. Just so interactive and much more fun than a phone call. So if I ask a question that the avatar doesn't know, does it go to a real person? It's like a email or a contact form?
I'm sorry, I lost you, JJ. Can you go back to that question?
Oh, yeah. So it sounds like, there's a lot of training, all the documents and the answers are there. But if I ask a question that the LLM doesn't know, what happens then? Do I have to wait for a real agent like tomorrow?
That could be really depending on how the company want to build the chatbot. Whether when I see how our customer building their own the chatbot, the protocol is whether they saying like you can reach out to real agent, or they also saying like we cannot answer that questions, for example.
Okay, so they just say we cannot answer that question, and then
Right.
user has to figure out what to do next.
But the only difference between the LLM versus the NLP chatbot is the LLM is more flexible to make the chatbot by uploading any of documentations versus NLP, you have to build all the chatbot scenario manually, and it's going to be giving the information based on the intent based. So scalability, building the chatbot, the LLM is way more flexible and way more easier.
I see. Tell us about the, financial services, having worked in them. There's a lot of like privacy concerns, and some companies want to have their own LLM. They don't want it to be shared with any other companies. So tell us about some of the considerations of a financial banking avatar.
Well, first I want to make it straight that we are not the LLM service provider. We are the text to video solutions AI avatar solution provider. That our capability is how we can deliver the great avatar quality for the customers, and how we can support the low latency when we get the text from the chatbot. For example, when you ask the questions and the avatar responding more, if the avatar's having delay responding to the answer, responding of the questions, that will not be a reliable service. So what our capability is how we can support the great avatar. LLM is a different part, but to answering your questions about the considerations of the LLM, how our finance company are doing their plan is yes, they want to build their own LLM, and they currently doing as a RAG model, or they also considering SLM model as well to minimizing the risk of hallucinations.
I see. So in your ideal customer profile, it's a bank or financial institution that's built their own custom LLM. And then they hire your company to have the low latency avatar.
We support the visual interfaces. So there's like I said, for conversational AI avatar solutions, they must need 3 more solutions. One is speech to text, is the ear functions. It goes to my brain to answer that questions. That is a chatbot. And then how that my face talking with my face expression, it is our solutions.
I see. Tell me more about this low latency. So is it predicting an answer and kind of starting to answer already?
No, like I shared with you in the beginning, that one is we using the streaming inference. So when you create the video, for example, if that is a 1 minute of the video length, that is also going to be affecting the video synthesize time. But what we using the low latency is when we get the text from the chatbot, that is the capability, how much we can faster synthesizing that text to generate with the lip syncing with the voice, lip syncing with the voice, voice with the lip syncing on the screen.
I see. So you have a proprietary way to generate the video more quickly.
Right, correct.
Based on the text from the LLM.
Yes, correct.
Interesting. It's very cool. Well, anyone in the audience, if you have any last minute questions, don't be shy. We're going to be wrapping up really soon. But Michael, how do people try this out? What's their next step?
Well, as you know, I don't know, JG, how much time you're spending for social media, but mostly near around my people, they also spend a lot of time watching YouTube and TikToks. The video of the demand is going to be more bigger, and all the company, they know, like, they want to make the videos. The only of the challenge was making the video is also cost. It also need a lot of cost as well. But there's another market. There is a market there. The people want to make the video with lower cost. So that is another market there too. And the other market is the conversational AI avatar solutions that no matter what their industry is, they want to enhancing their digital engagement service. And the AI avatar can be another solutions. People do not necessarily have to talk to a real person to get the information. So there's another market there as well.
Wow, there's so many markets. I know we had talked about disclosing some financial information. So in terms of total addressable market, TAM, or even one of these 4 markets, how do analysts and investors estimate it?
Well, I don't know, but when I do a little bit research, I checked it that it's going to be roughly $530 billion. But $530 billion includes all the AI avatar solutions. Well, I just give you just one example, like where you go, and if you see the screen, you can imagine that avatar can be using there. Whether you go to gas stations, the avatar can assist you. Whether you go to CVS or grocery store, not necessarily the real person have to assist you. your next future car, that AI avatar can support you as well. So I think AI avatar have a huge market, and I believe that's why in the last page that I shared with you, we believe that AI avatar can be everywhere, whether that could be online, offline, or metaverse.
Got it. Online, offline, and the metaverse. That's 3 more markets right there. Well, this is awesome. Thank you so much for presenting this. I know when I worked in finance, this was always the dream, is to have the brain, the mouth, and the ear, like all connected together. And a year later, it's all true. So it's amazing what you and your company has done.
Thank you. I really believe this solutions that's going to be into our normal life. So it's really exciting how this solutions is changing our lifestyle as well.
Yeah, making it hopefully easier to get the answers we need.
Awesome.
Well, Michael, let's stay on the call, but I'm going to end the live stream. So we're going to wave our goodbyes, and thanks everyone for the questions.